Hello everyone and welcome to this video classroom. Today we are going to dive into operational amplifiers, commonly known as op-amps. Op-amps are fundamental components in electronics, used in a wide variety of applications, from single application to complex mathematical operational and analog circuits. In this session, we will explore what an operational amplifier is, its main characteristics, and forms of two operations intertwined in non-inverting. In addition, we will not only discuss the theory, but also perform in speed-by-speed simulations and examine the results. Let's get started. What an operational amplifiers op-amps? An operational amplifier is an integrated circuit that amplifies the vocal difference between its inputs. Main characteristics: he when get the circuits open, two inputs, one inverting and one non-inverting, and single output, with applicability in control system single presenting. A continuous op-amp symbols.
Here we have an inverting configuration. We have elements like input resistor, feedback resistor, input signal source, and of course the pump. The connection that we have is that in this end of input resistor, we have the input signal source, and in the other end, we have that we call the inverting input of the pump. This feedback resistance is connecting the op-amp output to the inverting input. The non-inverting input, that is this one, the positive, is connected always to ground. The gain of this configuration is this one, and we have this negative for indicate the signal inversion. Have the feature that this configuration inverts the input signal and amplifies according to the values of this resistance.
Non-inverting configurations. Element resistor R1, resistor R2, input single source and the op-amp. Continuous. The input single is connected directly to the non-inverting input of the op-amp positive, and resist R1 connect to op-amp up to a the inverting negative input. Another resistor R3 connects the inverting negative input to ground. Input. Being the input signal is applied to the non-input intervened terminal, positive of the open amp. Resistor. There are two resistor inter circuits. R1 connect be with the output of the op-amp on the inverting input negative are two connected with the inverting input negative and ground. Gain. The gain of the non-intervened amplifier is given by the factor 1 positive R1 R2. The gain is positive, the signal has not intervened.
So here we have an example. We have components like operational amplifier, in this case LM731, an input resistor of 2 kilo ohms, a feedback resistor of 20 kilo ohms, a same signal source of 1 volt and 50 Hz, and a power supply. For connection, we have that this signal is connected to the inverting input terminal through the input resistor. The feedback resistor is connected between the output terminal and the inverting terminal. The non-inverting and always is going to be connected to the ground. And we have here power supplies with 50 volts and 50 volt values. For purification, We do it with an input signal of 1 volt at 50 Hz. We should get an output signal of minus 10 volts with an amplitude of 10 volts on the oscilloscope.
Example assembly of not inverter necessary components LM741 operation amplifiers resistor to resistor charge again power supply single generated to prep input single oscilloscope the derivative of single at Phillips connection to inverting and pure positive current connected into single the inverting pin the negative this is connected to a resistor network at what she feels away over with her will be the April singer. Circuit continues. Input single content the 1B single to the not interpene positive input of amplifier. Input resistor connect one end of the input of the inverting negative input of the amplifier and the other on the row. Feedback resistor connect one feedback and the amplifier above and the other and they are inverting negative input. Power sampler connect the power sampler in terminal to the peripheral. Check the signal at the amplified output. The amplitude of the output signal should be 5 times the amplitude of the input signal, i.e. 5V amplitude for a 1V input.
And with this, we have come to the end of our video classroom of operational amplifier. We hope this session have helped you to better understand the inverting and non-inverting configuration as well the process of setting up and simulation. Thank you so much for your attention. See you soon.